Hey guys, Rich Bassini here, your YouTube vlogger and creator here. Today I want to show you how to remove a background in Filmora 13. There's two ways to do it, and I'm going to show you the easy way to do it. So without further ado, let's get right to it. I hope you can stick around. Hopefully this video won't be too long, so please don't go anywhere. Check this out. First, I'm going to minimize my screen, and we're going to go with the first one here. Okay. The first one here is Adobe Express. As you can see here, it says free forever, right? Free use forever. No credit card required. And just to throw a little disclaimer out there, I do not have any affiliate links with them. So if you sign up with them or download their software, I am not getting anything for it. Just to throw that out there, guys. And down here, if you scroll down, you'll see I have the free plan, they have the premium, and they have this one here, Teams, whatever. I like the freebie stuff. It works for me. And I do use this on occasion. Don't get me wrong. Adobe Express is great. You can make some great stuff with it. If you look at the stuff they have here, let's go to the next screen. You could do a lot of different things with it. My computer's a little slow, but you can see they got social media. They got over here Instagram Square posts, and TikTok video, Facebook posts, and so on, YouTube video, whatever. They have a whole bunch of different things. But what I want to show you guys is this. I'm going to go over here. Now, they have a free background remover. Okay, over here, you can see it here. I'm going to click this on. I just want to show you something really quick with this here. I'm just going to go to my folder here, and I'm going to pick a file out, a picture. I did it earlier. Okay, so I came across a picture I'm going to use here, a photo. I'm going to click it on and hit open. And there you have it. A nice, clean photo with no background. That's one way of removing it, but I'm going to show you could do the same thing with Filmora 13. Check this out. Now, I'm going to download this here just to have it like that. Okay. And I'm going to close this window out. Now, remember, you could do this through Adobe Express. Okay. All right. Let's back out here. Let's go to the Filmora program itself. And here, there is a video clip here, but I'm going to get to this. I'm going to go into it. It's to the regular photo file over here, the global media, and I have it over here. Folks, this is so easy to do. It's phenomenal. Look at this here. You're going to drop this in the timeline over here. It's a very busy background. You can see here. It's got some stuff in here I don't want. You ready for this? Okay. This is the easy way to do it. You don't have to go. You don't have to go that other route. You don't have to go out of Filmora. You could do everything right in Filmora. Ready? Over here, where it says AI Tools, go over here, click it on, and let me move myself down a little over here. See this one over here says AI Portrait? See it right there? Click it on. Boom. It's done. The only thing you might play around with, let me just move myself a little over here right there, is the edge thickness. When you come into this here, make sure you get it where, because you know what happens if you do it too much, you'll cut a lot of your facial features off. Just go over here where it says edge thickness and just go out a little. This is what I like to go out a little where I see the white, and then gradually bring it right back in again like that. Like this here. And so you get all of that white away like that, where it looks natural. And then what you're going to do, we're going over here, we're going to make a screen. Here's the other thing I showed you, in another program I use. Take a snapshot of it, right? Now you have a snapshot, all right? You can do it now with this snapshot. You can take this one out, cut it. You can put this guy right back here, right? And now you can add any background you want to it, okay? Let's go over here. Let's pick one out over here. Let's see. Let's go to the home office. Bam. And the other thing is, what's nice about this here, when you want to get these here, you want to get rid of the black borders on each side. Go over here, click on the picture, the one you want, the backdrop, click it on, and go over here where it's going to say image here, but I go to color, and then I bring it back to image. See the little padlock over here? Check that. Now when you go over here, you got to be on a picture one. You're going to see these little boxes over here. This is where you're going to adjust it. And like that. Like that. And that's it. You're good to go. And you could also adjust yourself as well. Just go over here and you can just move yourself down here. All right, and then you could add whatever you want in there. You could put, if you want to put some title in there, like for example, if I want to add something, let's go over here. For example, I always like to add this here sometimes in my videos. You might see that sometimes. You could just do something like this here. Well, you're not going to put this there, but you could put that up there, right, like that there. And you could drop a name over here, or if you want to put like a little subscribe button, I think I have it over here somewhere, like this little guy right here. You could put that there as well. Hit the thing in here, minimize it, and you can put that right over here like this. Leave it right there, folks. It's cut and dry, and it's easy to do. You don't have to go out. You don't have to go out of Filmora. You can do everything in here, and it looks great. It looks great, you know. And that'll work with any busy, you know, thing you got over here. For example, let's get rid of this one here. Let's start a fresh one here. Let's start a fresh one. Let's clear this all out. Okay. Let's get this one here that has words in it. Let's get this one here, right here. Okay. Dealing with dislikes. Yes, I did a video like that. We're going to go back to the AI tools again. We're going to click this one over here, AI portrait. Bam, it's out. But remember one thing, always try to play around with the edge thickness here, because like I said again, you don't want to, you know, cut much of your facial parts off it, you know what I'm saying? And the same thing, it's the same exact thing, folks. You could just do what you have to do, drop any different backdrop, whatever you want. It's really cut and dry. You want to do something like this here, boom, that's it. And the same thing applies if you want to get rid of the black borders. Click on that particular backdrop, go over here where it clicks on, I usually go to color just to activate it, and go to image, and then uncheck the padlock here. I'll click that on and just move it like that, and you're good to go. Okay, simple. It's very simple, easy to do, and you can do everything within Filmora. And again, some people might say, yeah, but if you go to the other one, you could do all the adjustments on there. You could do, well, that's another thing. Let me show you something really quick. All right, I'll just use this one here for argument's sake. Let's say you go over here. All right, when you're going to go to the photo itself now, and you're going to go over here where it says color match. Okay, here you're going to have it over here, the reference, and here's the current one. What you're going to do over here, you could do the feather edging here. You got to do the exposure like this. So you could do the exposure if you want to make it like that, right? Then you could do the color match. You could take that off, whatever. You can leave it like that, right? What's the other stuff they got over here? Keyframe. You could also reset it if you don't like it. Okay, you could also reset it. Let's see the other thing I want to show. You could also sharpen the picture if you choose to do so. You can make it nice and sharp. That looks nice and crisp, right? Let's see what else they got over here. Then the roundness. I don't really play around with the roundness here. Feathering. Again, I don't really mess around with that because I already did it before. The highlight, really doesn't seem to do much with that there. There was something here I want to show you, the color wheel. Okay, this is the one I want to show you guys. Here they got this color wheels, which is pretty cool. If you play around with it like this, you move it up and down, you can see the tone of my face. It gets darker. Here they got the mid-tones, like the, well, yeah, if you want to play around with that there. Okay. Then I got over here the shadows, if you wanted shadows to it, like that. Folks, you could really dress your picture up really nice, and you could do everything right here. And if you don't like it the way it came out, there's the reset button right here. You could also save it as a custom, all right, if you want. If you don't like the way it came out, just hit the reset button, and everything goes back to default settings, okay? Play around with it. This is Filmora 13. This is the latest version, the 13.5051. And anytime, I'll be this way, if anytime you want to know what the version you're using, just over here. It's 13.0.51 is the latest one. Okay, that's the latest one, folks. You're gonna have a lot of fun with Filmora, and again, you know, it's easier to do it this way. I mean, instead of going out of it and going here to remove the background, going there to do it, you could do it all within Filmora. So I hope this information helps. I hope you guys got a takeaway from it, and if you do like this video or any of my videos, please don't forget that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and if you want to be updated when I post on the videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Bassini signing off. I will talk to you guys the next time. Take care, and bye-bye for now.